Hello, little friends.
Quack,
Can you
quack.
wave to the ducklings?
Quack, quack, come and play! Little ducklings lead the way. Flap your wings and waddle too.
Hello, little friends.
Let's have fun,
Can you wave
me
to the
and
ducklings?
you. Everybody say, quack, 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 quack. Quack, quack, waddle
Can
along.
you waddle
Sing
like
with
a duck?
us this happy song. Splash and laugh the whole day
Can you
through.
waddle like
Little
a duck?
ducklings love you too. Tiny duckling, soft
Can you
and
flap
bright,
your wings?
flaps its little wings in flight. Can you flap? Can you flap, flap, flap? Flashing duckling!
Can you splash your
Splashing duckling jumps with joy. Every puddle is a toy. Can you splash? Can you splash? Splash, splash, splash.
To the butterflies.
Butterflies dance through the sky. Ducklings wave as they fly by. Wave hello! Why, hello!
Can you point to the rainbow?
Tight rainbow
everything one more
duckling.
time. Clap your
Rainbow
hands.
shining big and bright.
point to
Fills
the
the
rainbow?
sky with happy light.
Everything one more
Can you
time.
point?
Can you
There it
waddle like
is!
a duck?
Now let's all clap your hands!
Can you waddle like a duck?
around. Every flap your wings.
Can you waddle like a
Splash
duck?
your feet. Everybody together.
Can you waddle like a duck?
Cool, great job! See you
you
next
point to
time
the
for
rainbow?
another little duckling adventure! Crying eye!
Flap your wings, splash your feet, wave hello, point to the rainbow. Hands, waddle like a duck, flap your wings, splash your feet, wave hello, point to the rainbow.